Welcome back viewers. From today's video onwards, we are going to check out the Archcraft system in detail. Archcraft is a Arch-based Linux distribution. This is the website of the Archcraft Linux distribution, archcraft.io/index.html. So it is yet another minimal Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. So what is Archcraft? So Archcraft is just another Linux distribution made on top of Arch Linux. It uses window managers and lightweight applications, which makes it super fast. With pre-configured settings, Archcraft provides you the best out-of-the-box window manager experience. So you can download it here. The link is given. I have already downloaded the ISO. So from the next video onwards, we will check out all the desktops and window managers available in Archcraft. So it features minimal system configuration. So it is very minimal and lightweight. It can run under 500 MB of memory as it only uses window managers and some lightweight applications. It is stunning. So it uses flat and pastel colors. The consistency among all the UI elements and the various themes makes Archcraft look very clean, minimal and stunning. It is very powerful. It comes with the latest software and built-in support for AUR. And being lightweight, Archcraft gives you the power to do whatever you want to do on your PC. There are communities online for the Archcraft users, so you can join the Archcraft community on Reddit, Discord, Telegram, and the Matrix channel. Now we will go over to the download page. This is the download page of Archcraft. Here you can download Archcraft from SourceForge, Google Drive or Mega Cloud. So you can just click on the download link. You can check out the changelog. The latest release is Archcraft 2023-0101. So that is on the 1st of January 2023. They have released a new version of the Archcraft. Username and password for the live session is live user. It is only available for 64-bit architectures. There are no 32-bit ARM or WSL editions and perhaps never going to be. And these are the available options: SourceForge, Google Drive and Mega. So you can download the ISO from any of these three options. And there are mirrors located in Poland and Mali. So you can download the ISO from either of these mirrors. So these are the two additional options over and above the three given here. That is SourceForge, Google Drive and Mega. And you can verify the ISO using the JPG keys. So you have to type this command in your terminal and you can then verify the keys of the ISO that you have downloaded, and you can verify whether it is secure or not. And you can verify the JPG signature by running JPG space -- verify Archcraft. You have to type the release name of the ISO, and then you have to add .sig, that is signature. So it will verify the signature. And finally verify the SHA-256 sum checksum by running. So here you have to use this command SHA-256 sum --c Archcraft -2023.01.01-h66 _64 .iso.SHA-256 sum. Now there are some important links given. So this is the link for the sponsors. So we can open it in separate page tab, and there are some important links. So these are all the links to Discord. There is some folder is there. Let us check it out. What is this? This is the GitHub page of the Archcraft. This is also Archcraft. Let us open it also. And this is the SourceForge files, and this is also GitHub pages. So this opens up the issues, so you can log in your issues here. And this is let me check. This is, I think, the GitHub page for the developer. Okay, so now let us check it out one by one. So this is the sponsor page. So there are some current, there is one sponsor is there. Past 11 persons sponsored the Archcraft, so you can do a good donation to the project to keep it running. So you can donate $20 a month. You can donate $5, $25, $50, or you can even do it more. You can do it monthly donation. You can do one-time donations also. using this page. Now we will go over to this page. So what is this? This is the Archcraft page. Here you can check out the releases, the ISOs, documentation, all those things, packages, the Wayland special, Archcraft Wayland special packages, the repositories are there. You can check out the different packages here. And this is the GitHub page which shows the GitHub profile and all those license. So you can check out which different issues are right now current, which issues have been sorted out by the developers, what actions have been taken on the different you say requests that have been logged, any changes in the security, for example some patches or all those kinds of things, security policy, security advisories. Then you can check out the insights, so you will see whether the project is active or not, different active pull request, merge request, which issues have been closed, which are the new issues that are current. So here you can see the issues closed by the developers, that is NVIDIA GPU driver, screen tier. 4 issues that are right now open are installed to USB pen drive, default VM, that is open box, blank area and PAMAC preferences, Archcraft glyph icons break after install all the icons from Emacs. And finally, this is the download page of SourceForge where you can download the Archcraft ISOs. This you have to log in into the GitHub page of the Archcraft using this page. Then you have to you can check out the developer profile here. So this is the developer profile. You can check out the contributions by the developer Aditya Shakya month-wise for the complete year, that is 2022. So you can check out these different repositories of the developer, the projects he is working on, the packages he is connected with or working on the packages, the different stars that he has received. All those things can be checked out here. Now let us go back to the Archcraft web page. Now let us check out the flavors. So you have got two flavors available here, Archcraft XFC. So this flavor of Archcraft comes with XFC. It is a lightweight desktop environment. It aims to be fast and low on system resources. Archcraft XFC is highly customized and pre-configured. It is ready to go XFC system. Then you have got the Archcraft LXDE. LXDE is a desktop environment with comparatively low resource requirements. This makes it specially suitable for using on the older or resource constrained personal computers such as netbooks and system on chip computers. So you can use either of this system. You can check about the download and the releases from here. Now let us go over to the premium section. So Archcraft Premium is a paid version of the Linux distribution. So it contains a bunch of exclusive things such as configurations, themes, ISOs, etc. created for you and Archcraft. Archcraft does not accept donations. This exclusive stuff helps Archcraft to fulfill its financial needs. The idea behind this, you support Archcraft and in return you get a gift, a win-win for both. Then there is Archcraft Wayland. It is a Archcraft Wayland special edition. This provides an ultimate Wayland compositor experience. It comes with Sway, Wayfire, River, Hyperland and NewM. NewM. Pre-installed, pre-configured and provides you with a Wayland only experience out of the box. Then there is Sway Desktop is available. This Sway Desktop might not work with the NVIDIA using proprietary graphics driver. So you will have to use the Novio drivers or the open source drivers. And there are some screenshots available. So for the Wayland, there is no screenshot available, but for Sway Desktop, the screenshot is available. You can check out how this looks. Then there is Wayfire Desktop. It also will not work with the NVIDIA proprietary graphics driver. And there are some screenshot available. One screenshot is there. Then you got the River Desktop. This looks interesting for me. Maybe we will try this out in one of our videos. It also will not work with the NVIDIA proprietary drivers. So there is a possibility it will not work. And there are some screenshots for the River Desktop. You can check it out here. Then there is Hyperland Desktop. Here also the warning is given that it might not work with the NVIDIA proprietary graphics driver. and there are some screenshots given. So all these desktops look very cool in Archcraft. So this overall the development of this Linux distribution is very cool. Graphics is very cool to look. The icons, how the system looks and works, it is very light and very cool. So I was specially attracted to this Linux distribution. Now let us go over to the gallery. So gallery contains the screenshots only. So for open box, these are the screenshot. Looks very beautiful. You can see it here. Fantastic decoration of the windows. Then the BSPWM. So this also looks very nice. Then DWM is there, D Windows Manager. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful. Then I3WM is there. This is also it is using pop out colors. So the folder icons are pop out. So there is some extra color in the folder icons. Then it pops out and catches your eye. This is the X monad. This is very darkest theme. So I cannot pronounce it. Is very difficult to pronounce. How to pronounce, I don't know. But this looks very different from rest of the all the window managers and desktops. Then this berries, I am looking it for the first time. So this is how it looks. This is also very nice looking. Pinkish shade is there. Fluxbox, yes, this is my favorite. If you use NTX Linux distribution, you will know Fluxbox. Fantastic performance and looks. Then there are some Windows Wayland compositors desktop. So Sway is a desktop based on Wayland compositors. So you can see it here. Looks very good. Nice one. Wallpapers are very subtle wallpapers. Very cool looking wallpapers. Then you have got this Wayfire desktop. It is also based on Wayland compositors. Looks very nice. Then there is Hyperland. Very nice. I like the work done by the developer Aditya Shakya and his team. Oh, this is beautiful. It looks like something like Ubuntu or the MX Linux XFC desktop. New WM is there. This is how the new WM will look. New WM, or maybe it is known as new M. Then you got the desktop environments XFC. This is how the XFC looks. Very fantastic looks. You will fall in love with the looks. Then the LXD is there. This is also very nice. The icons, the wallpaper, everything looks very nice. All well put together. Then there are some themes are there for the, I think this is for the LXD only. Yes, some themes are there. Look, all are nice. Then we will go to the wiki. So this is the wiki page for the Archcraft. So here you can check out the tutorials, the wiki page. This is the wiki page. You will see how to create a bootable USB, boot Archcraft from Grub, install Archcraft. So you can use the Calamars or the ABF. So this is how you have to use the Archcraft installer from the command line. Then you can install Archcraft with the Calamars installer. This is the Calamars installer. Then there is post installation instructions. The window managers are there, open box. So the different key bindings, the default key bindings are given for each of the desktop or the window manager. So very nice. Everything is detailed is there and it is easily available. So you need not search different websites or different user groups. Everything is given right there on the wiki page. So here you can see, I think the Hyperland, not much information is there. Sway, let us check out. Yes, Sway also there is not much information. So this, I think the web page is pending. They are yet to populate the data for Sway, Wayfire, River, Hyperland and New M. Now let us check out the desktop environments. So that is also pending. I think the website is under construction or update. And this is the contribution page for the wiki. Now let us check out the tutorials. So these are the tutorials. You can check out. There is a tutorial for each of the subject, like for example, add my music in NPD, change the themes and icons in BSP WM, all those things you can check it from here. Then there is this news section. So right now we have downloaded the January to 2023 release. So it is the latest release. So if you are using a older Archcraft, you will have to reinstall your system because they have shifted the Arch base. So they are now using the latest Arch base. You will have to reinstall your system. Okay, so this is the new flavor. So earlier XFC was not available, but they have started the XFC flavor of Archcraft from October 7, 2022 onwards. And there is a regular ISO update in September 2023. So this is it. Now let us check out the news section. Is there in the news? So okay, so we were already checking out the news. So I will close this. I will close this. All things I will close. This also I will go back. So let us hit on the more page. So what is there? Yes. So now I will come to the release cycle. So like Archcraft, like Arch Linux, Archcraft is also a rolling release distribution, which mean after the January 2023 release, there is no need to download a new ISO to update your existing system. So that's great news for the Archcraft lovers. So earlier what happened is, when there was a new release, you have to reinstall your system. So now after the January 2023 release, you need to download a new ISO to update your system. Existing Archcraft users can update their system anytime by running sudo pacman -syyuu. New ISO will be released quarterly, which means any date in January, April, July or October. So that's another great news for Arch lovers and the Archcraft lovers, unless there are some major bugs or upstream issues that require immediate attention. Archcraft is one of the okay. So Archcraft is one man project. So only Aditya Shakya is after the project. He might not have a team to support it. If you love Archcraft and like what I am doing, you can buy me a coffee. You can sponsor me on GitHub too. You can sponsor. Your sponsorship will have Archcraft to improve and grow, and your support will keep it maintained, updated, and alive. And there are some little tips and contributions that you can do via PayPal that are always appreciated, but not necessarily required. So you can tip a jar, sponsor him on the GitHub, buy him a coffee. So that's it. With this, I will stop the introduction video here. From the next video onwards, we will check out the different desktops one by one for the Archcraft. See you in the next video. Bye.